Hi, second graders. Today we are going to review adjectives. Remember, adjectives are a describing word. They describe a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. And then that adjective describes that noun. It can be taste, color, smells, looks, behavior. The number, sounds, feels, and the size of that noun are all adjectives, which are describing words. So what is an adjective? An adjective can describe how something looks, tastes, smells, feels, touches, how many. So if I look at the sentence, 2 friends came to visit, I can ask myself the question, how many friends came to visit? 2. So 2 is my adjective. It describes how many friends. If I say the yellow cat ran fast, what are my describing words? There are 2 adjectives. What color cat? The yellow cat. How did it run? It ran fast. So fast and yellow would be my adjectives. There are 2 links you can click on when you go back to your today's checklist. There is an adjective song and then a School of House Rock adverbs. There is also an Brain Pop Junior on adjectives and adverbs as well, if you need another resource. So an adverb tells when, to what extent, where, in what manner, and how. Adverbs usually end with ly. So if I think an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, it tells when, where, how, and how often. So when describing words are like after, before, early, now, since, and so on. Where, above, below, everywhere, far, how, calmly, swiftly, softly, joyfully, excitedly, sloppily, and how often does it happen? Always, daily, never, seldom, usually are all adverbs. Adverbs describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay? So you have 2 IXLs to complete today. One is VV8 and the other is VV9. So if I open up VV8, it says, choose the word that best describes the noun in bold. Is Justin gladly to be on the new football team, or is Justin glad to be on the new football team? I know it's glad, so I click. Keep your money in a safe place or keep your money in a safely place? Keep your money in a safe place. What kind of place? A safe place. The safe describes my noun, my place. The lady smiled warmly for the picture, or the lady smiled warm for the picture? The lady smiled warmly for the picture. Okay, then if I go back and I choose VV9, is the word an adjective or an adverb? Is the backyard a safe place for them to play? Okay, if I see, so I'm looking at the bold word, does safe describe the place? Yes, so I'm going to click adjective. Gabe will wash the dirty dishes. What kind of dishes? They're the dirty dishes. They describe, the dirty describes the dishes, so it's an adjective. Hannah easily climbed the oak tree. That is an adverb because how did she? She easily, and our hint is adverbs usually end with an ly. Matt proudly tells everyone about his new baby. Well, our first hint is it ends with an ly, and how does he tell? He proudly tells, so I know that is an adverb. Okay, so let me make sure that's it. Yep, so that is it for adverbs and adjectives. Remember, try your best to get to 100. If you get past 80 and you get shot back down, then you can stop there. If you need help, message me on Seesaw and I will reach out to you and help you. Have a great day.